In this video, we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 9.1 of class 10 term 2. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12. So let's have an introduction of this video. In this video, we are going to solve the question number 10, 11 and 12. Let's start solving the very first question of the today's video, which is question number 10, which says that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other. Two poles of equal heights means it is given to you that AB is equal to DE on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. So the road is 80 meter wide means BE is equal to 80 meter. From a point between them, there is any point between them, the point can be at anywhere on the road. On the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. This angle of elevation from the top of both the poles is given to you equal to 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the pole. We have to find out AB and DE and the distances of the point from the pole. Means we have to find BC is equal to question mark and CE is equal to question mark. The distance of the point from both the poles. Okay, so how we can find out? We can find out by using the trigonometric ratios as we are doing it earlier in the previous questions. So let us suppose that my BC is equal to x meter. If BC is x, then CE will be equal to what? CE will be equal to 80 minus x meter. So now in triangle ACB, ACB is what? This is perpendicular and this is my base. So which trigonometric gives the relation between perpendicular and the base? Let's check it out. The tangent gives us the relation between tangent 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is my root 3 is equal to perpendicular by base. Base is what? Base is my x. So I can write down that root 3x is equal to perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my AB. So let us suppose this is my equation number 1. Moving to the next second triangle. Second triangle is what? Triangle DCE. In triangle DCE, tangent 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is my 1 by root 3 is equal to perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my DE divided by base is what? Base is my 80 minus x. If I will do cross multiplication, then I will get 80 minus x by root 3 is equal to DE. So I can say because height of both the towers, both the poles is equal. So I can say that AB is equal to DE. So in place of DE, I can write down AB. Okay. So both the equations will be equal. From equation number 1 and 2, I can say both are the values of AB. So I can say that root 3x is equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Now if I will do cross multiplication, then root 3 into root 3 will be equal to 3x is equal to 80 minus x. Now this x will come to the left hand side and it will get added. 3x plus x is equal to 80. So 4x will be equal to 80. So that means x will be equal to 20 meter. So my one distance which is equal to BC will be equal to 20 meter and another distance is what? Another distance is my CE which is equal to 80 minus x which will be equal to 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. Okay, these two the things which I have to find, right? So next I have to find out the height of the poles, and height of the poles is what? This is equal to AB is equal to root 3x. So I can say that AB is equal to root 3x, and x is what? We have find out x is equal to 20. We know that the value of root 3 is equal to 1.73. So if we will do multiplication of this, then I will get 34.6 meters. So you can write down that height of the pole is equal to 34.6 meter. Moving to question number 11, which says that a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. So on a bank of a canal, so this is suppose my canal, and these are the two opposite sides of the canal. A TV tower is standing at one end of the canal. Then from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So from another point on the bank, this is my another point of the bank, the angle of elevation at the top of the tower is given to be equal to 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, so there is another point which is 20 meter away from this point. So remember this thing, that the point is given to you away from this point. Now he is talking about the point which is away from this point, right? Next, from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. And where is this point? This next point is where? This point is on the same line with which the foot of the tower is joining. So this distance is given to us equal to 20 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So this time this angle of elevation, the top of the tower is given equal to 30 degree. Then find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So we have to find out this height and this complete width of the canal. So let's give this name as A, B, C and D. C is the point at which angle of elevation is 60 degree, and D is the point at which the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So let us suppose my BC is equal to x meter. So by using the trigonometric ratio in both the triangles, in triangle ABC and in triangle ABD, what we can have? In triangle ABC, we have to find out the relation between this is my perpendicular and this is my base. So perpendicular and base relation is given by what? It is given by tangent. So tan 60 is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is my root 3 is equal to perpendicular by base is what? Base is my x. And what is my perpendicular? Perpendicular is my AB by x. And if I will do cross multiplication, then what I will get? I will get root 3x is equal to AB. Let us suppose this is my equation number 1. Now moving to the next triangle, the bigger one, ABD. In triangle ABD, what I will have? I will have tangent 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So perpendicular will be my same, perpendicular will be my AB only, and base is what? Base is my this complete BD, which is equal to AB by BD is what? BC plus CD. AB I don't know, BC we have imagined this is equal to x meter, and CD is given to us which is equal to 20. Okay, So tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is my 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by x plus 20, right? So suppose this is my equation number 1. So put the value from equation number 1, we will get what? We will get a 1 by root 3 is equal to, in place of AB we can write down it is root 3x divided by x plus 20. So if I will do cross multiplication, then what I will get? I will get x plus 20 is equal to root 3 into root 3 will be 3x. Okay, so 20 will be equal to, when this x will go to right hand side, it will become negative. So 20 will be equal to 2x. So this means that 10 will be equal to x meter. And x was what? We have imagined that x is equal to BC, means this value will be equal to 10 meter. BC is equal to 10 meter. So how I can find out the width of the canal is what? Width of the canal is my BD, which is equal to BC plus BD is equal to BC plus CD. Okay, and BC is my 10 meter and CD is given to us, which is equal to 20. So BD, so this means that width of the canal is equal to 30 meter. Okay, so similarly, if we put this value in our equation number 1, then we can find out our second required value, which is the height of the tower, which is what? AB is equal to root 3x. So I can say that from equation number 1, AB is equal to root 3 of x, which is equal to, x is what? X is my 10 meter. Okay, so root 3 into x, and it is given in the question that you have to use the value of root 3 equal to 1.73 into 10, which will be equal to 17.3 meter. So write down your answer. So this implies that height of the tower is equal to 17.3 meter. Okay, so moving to question number 12. Question number 12 says that from the top of a 7 meter high building. So this is building is given to you. Suppose AB is my building and the height of the building is equal to 7 meter, and the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. This is my EC is my cable tower. At the top of this, angle of elevation is given to be equal to 60 degree, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. So angle of depression is what? When we are seeing from top to the bottom. So from the top of the building at the bottom of the tower, angle of elevation is given to us equal to 45 degree, means angle of elevation with the horizontal line is given to us equal to 45 degree, and we have to determine the height of the tower, means we have to find out this EC is equal to question mark, and EC is what? EC is my CD plus ED. Okay, and from the figure you can see that CD is equal to AB. I can write down AB plus ED, and AB is what? AB is my 7 and this is my ED. So I have to basically find out what? I have to find out the value of ED. This value I have to find out. Okay, so now how to find out this value? This is my perpendicular. If I will see this triangle AED, so this is my perpendicular and this is my base. So if I know my base, then by using tangent 60 degree for the triangle which is equal to perpendicular by base. If I know my base, then easily I can find out my perpendicular. Okay, so how I can find out my perpendicular? Base. So to find out the base, I will use another triangle which is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC is what? Tangent. Tangent angle will be what? Because this is my 45. So with the rule of alternate interior angles are equal, it is making this shape, right? This is 45, so this will be also 45. So tangent 45 is what? This is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 45 is 1 and perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is this time my 7 and base is what? Base is my BC. So if I will do cross multiplication, then I will get that BC is equal to 7 meter, right? So BC, from the figure you can see that BC and AD are equal. So you can write down that from the figure BC is equal to AD is equal to 7 meter. So we will use this value BC in another triangle, in this triangle AED, to find out the value of ED. So in triangle EAD, tangent 60 is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 60 is what? Tan 60 is my root 3. Perpendicular is I have to find out the value of ED and base is what? Base is my AD. So put the values simply and you will get your answer. Okay, and AD is what? AD is my 7. So if I will do cross multiplication, then I will get 7 root 3 is equal to perpendicular, and perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my ED. Okay, so write down your answer that height of the tower is equal to, height of the tower is equal to what? Height of the tower is equal to ED plus DC, right? Height of the tower I have explained you earlier also, which is equal to ED plus DC. ED we have find out, this is equal to 7 root 3, and DC we know it is equal to 7 meter. So write down the values and this is going to be your answer. 7 you can write down common and root 3 plus 1 meter. So height of the tower will be equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1. Okay. If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 9.1. Till then, take care and bye bye.